Now then, hobbyists. Here are a few facts about the original Mini I never knew. Originally, they didn't have a radio fitted, as the creator was a heavy smoker and wanted the space for an extra large ashtray. The pockets in the doors were not designed for maps, but to fit a bottle of gin and several bottles of tonic water. The last Mini Cooper to be built in the classic style was bought by Kevin Spacey for $130,000, so it might not be true that he prefers minors. When Tamiya released its MB01 chassis, they brought out the Fiat Abarth Berliner, the Alfa Romeo GTA Racer, an Opel Kadett, which is an Astra for those of us in the know, and a Citroën DS. No, Citroën DS. This raised a question. Has Tamiya fallen out of love with the Mini, as this would have been the perfect chassis for it? Okay, in 2008 you could get the new BMW Mini on the M03 chassis, but it was back in '98 the Rover Mini was released on this chassis, and in 1999 they had the TG10 Mark I, whatever that was. Okay, they did have a classic Mini also in 2009 on the M05, as well as the fancy Mini JCW Cooper in 2012. I'm sure there's plenty more I've missed there as well. But come on, Tamiya, you must have watched the Italian Job, not the Marky Mark one, but the original Michael Caine version, the one that's on every single bank holiday forever. Think about it, an Austin Mini Cooper S on the MB01 chassis would be awesome. Also, Tamiya could release 3 versions with 3 different box arts, red, white and blue, so you can get your favourite colour, and if you're one of them with the glass IKEA cases, well, get ready to buy all 3. Tamiya, you can have that idea on me this time. Anyway, we bought an aftermarket Mini shell. Technically, it's a Mini Woody, but the chief engineer decided to spray the whole shell the same colour. I did suggest the effect where you could use wood stickers, but maybe that's for a future project. Anyway, let's take this out on the MB01 chassis and have a mini adventure. you don't miss out on further videos and similar nonsense, please like, feel free to comment, definitely subscribe, and press that bell-shaped thingy to be woken up at all hours for further content. But for now, that's your lot.